Okay, so we got the pump in today and got the water to the cistern hooked up. So we're gonna take a look and see if we have water going in or not. We got water pouring into the cistern right now. Slowly filling up. Don't have these screwed on yet. We'll do that tomorrow. So it looks like the pump is almost covered up. We got rope. We're gonna hook that on a little differently. We've got the tiered system down there for that. So it looks like we're coming up on 6 inches, 8, 10, probably 9, 10 inches on this side of the cistern at this point. So filling up.